Hello everyone, this is a review for JOOLA MD Rally Professional. This is the 15 millimeters. I have bought it from Amazon a few days ago and I've been using it so far. Seems to be pretty good. But I have few notes on this after using it, so let's get to it. So when I have received it, I can see there is little rust here on this leg. It's not a big deal, but you know, still, if you buy something new, you expect something new, right? So it could be because the storage. And I can see also here the paint little it's got some scratches. Could be because I don't know, the delivery or storage, not sure. But overall it's really sturdy and it's really easy to assemble. So it comes in a few pieces. It took me like about 15 to 20 minutes to put it together. So this piece and these pieces are separate, and you can see this one, you can just take it apart. So you can take this apart, and also there's a handle here, just press it. Oh, sorry, I dropped it. Okay, so this is one here, and also the other one. It's right here. Just take it and press, release, and you can see this knob. It's really easy to come off. So be careful, because if you lose this, I don't know, it won't stay together right. So you put these together, and I'm gonna go ahead and put like disassemble it, and I will let you know how it looks like. One second. Okay, so I lift it from here, and you just lift this, and there's a latch here. So this latch is pretty good made, but this latch is preventing it from going that way. And this is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to just lift this. It's basically, you just, you know, lift it from here, and you can hear the latch here. There we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, and you can push it aside next to each other. I would, you know, make sure this surface always against this surface, so prevent the scratches. You know, overall it's good. I like it. It's cost about as of 2 weeks ago, which is we are in late June. It cost me $539 with delivery, but the problem is it took them like about a few weeks actually to deliver it. So okay, thank you guys for listening. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much. Bye.